not stuff and this. Am I showing?
Yeah. Daddy, come on. Yeah, clean here. Yeah. Come on, I'm gonna stand some. Don't press anything. Don't press anything. Just your mama.
Please go home. Let me show you. That's your food, okay? Take out carefully. Don't hear that people out. Yeah. This one. See how village hole is.
Arana, don't like the way I'm cooking that thing.
Water.
Once it's of effect, because that's the steps.
See how our village hole is.
I don't understand.
Effect. Use only the mouth of the bone. Show them.
I want to do something like this. Okay? This is what I'm talking about. You can have that.
Someday the cameraman.
But we're not fixing the sun.
Yeah, Mama, I'm tired. You didn't see this work. So this is my daddy's building, and they just did the wiring. This is the house we're building. This is the outside. That's the inside. So me and my elder sister and my cousins were here to clean it because we are going to stay in it like this, no matter how it is, when my parents come. Because the earlier we start, this is supposed to be the parlor though, but there's still plenty work here to be done. Look, but this place, wiring has been done in all the rooms everywhere. So we're going to stay in this house like that. They'll bring generator. We'll buy the generator anyhow. We'll not even open window, no wonder. Oh. This is another room. Or is it the kitchen self? I don't know. I think this is the kitchen. We're going to be in this house like that too. Top blood. It's our house. This is our backyard. So these are the things we used before. We have 2 beds here. That's another bed. This is a bucket. Those are kitchen things. My father just bought few things. So this is basically it. We're going to stay here once my father comes back. Until the house is completed. Every year we come here, we must stay here. Because it already has a roof. So we have a roof over our head. It's not as if we're staying under the rain or anything. I'm so feeling it. I'm so feeling it. See now, wiring has been done. As of last year, there was no wiring here. See my sister. You're very high. Ada, firstborn, first daughter. First.
Uno anima.
So this is outside of the house. We're cleaning this place. We're taking it to where they want it. I don't know. Auntie said she put fire somewhere. So
Everybody is working, everybody is busy. As you can see, I am using a rake to remove plastic from the compound or even surrounding.
big boy.
And other people are using blessing or any other thing.
Grace who can speak even more than me, sir. What's all this? Intimidation. See, Acha, you're not doing anything. You know how
He's playing football with Kabir.
Hey, see, Acha is walking.
Acha now has carried ball.
Yes, this is our uncle.
Out the grasses in the surrounding. And
Acha, lazy. Nah, he'll go. See them. They don't want to work. Samde, which work have you done?
Sandem is a lazy boy.
He's not lazy, come on. He doesn't just feel like. Abi?
Where's the hole?
See the hole here. See it here. No, leave that one. Okay, see the hole here. Yes, I'm the correct.
I'm not too bum.
Irutu bagu. Queen about song. Someday, don't let your body scratch you. I don't know this thing that you're hugging.
Then I remove that.
The biggest one.
All this one and like this from here and I remove it until everything has come together. Then I will leave it and we'll go back to another place.
Then who will pack it? Then they are grateful. Come and pack it.
Then they are grateful to pack it.
As you can see, we're making progress. This is the front view of the house.